Hey, how's it going? I'm Steve and I'm out here with San Francisco Overland today. We're going to be running through a tutorial on how to use the locking systems for all the different places on our trailers that we have. We're going to start right here on the trailer tongue box. As you can see, the tongue box keyhole is horizontal. You'll use the appropriate key in the keyhole, rotate 180 degrees, remove the key, pull out the handle, rotate the handle 90 degrees, and lift the hatch. That gives you access to everything that you need within the tongue storage box, or even if you put your own belongings in here. When it comes time to close the box and you're done, you'll leave the handle rotated at that same 90 degrees. Use the handle to close the hatch. Once closed, rotate the handle back, push it in, use the same key, and return back to the normal position, rotating that keyhole again 180 degrees back. There you have it, a locked and secure compartment. Moving on to our door locks. Our door locks are standard RV door handles and door locks. There's nothing different about our handles versus any other handle on any other RV that comes out from the factory. There are two different key slots on our door handles. We don't advise using the lock on the handle itself because that is the only lock in the trailer that will actually allow you to lock the keys inside the trailer, thus you're locked out. And you don't want to be calling for help in the middle of the night while you're out in the middle of the wilderness with a locked door. Therefore, if you use the separate keyhole, that operates the deadbolt for the door. So you'll take the appropriate key. This is the double-sided key on the key ring. The keyhole is vertical and should be vertical in a stationary point. You'll put the key into the keyhole, you rotate 90 degrees horizontally, return the key back to its vertical position and remove the key. Now you have an open and free door. To re-secure the door, shut the door, give it a good push, make sure it latches, use that same double-sided key, insert vertically into the lock, rotate the opposite direction 90 degrees, return the key back to its horizontal position, and remove the key. If there is any restriction on removing that key, something is wrong. And take a step back, think about it, make sure that the key is back in that vertical position so that the key can enter and exit freely. You should not be trying to remove the key while it is in a horizontal position, only while it is in a vertical position. The next lock that we have on our trailers is going to be our galley lock. So again, you'll use the appropriate key. You put it in the keyhole and go from horizontal to vertical. Pull the key. Now you have access to our beautiful galleys and everything that's contained here within. To re-secure the rear hatch prior to moving the trailer, use the handle that is underneath of the hatch. Use that handle to pull down on the hatch and then transfer to your hands. It always helps to lift that handle for ease of use. These rear hatches close with run-of-the-mill pickup truck tailgate latches. So once it's down in the shut position, do everybody a favor and just give it a nice little push on each corner, again, just to make sure that the latches are secure for towing. You'll use that same key in its vertical position, and rotate back horizontally, remove the key. Again, if there's any restriction on removing the key, something is wrong and you should stop and think about the position of the key versus what you're trying to do. So again, I'm Steven, I'm here with San Francisco Overland, and this has been a tutorial on how to use the locking systems on our trailers. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or post something in the comments below the video. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.